what is the importance of plasma protein? So the question is simple. What is the importance of plasma protein? So in the previous question, we learnt what are the components of formed elements and its function. Now, what exactly the plasma contains? Now, the plasma is a fluid portion of the blood, and this plasma contains majority water, and it has got proteins, along with that nutrients, waste substances, atmospheric gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, salts. Now, all this becomes the component of the plasma. So, it helps in transportation of nutrients, atmospheric gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, the waste generated by the cells, and the salts. Along with this, it has got proteins inside them. So, majorly there are 3 types of proteins present in the plasma. So, around 6.8% of the plasma constitutes the protein. So, totally 55% of the blood contains plasma. Now, among them, majority part is the water. So, 6.8% of the plasma will have proteins in it. So, totally there are 3 different types of proteins in the plasma. One is fibrinogen, second one is globulins, and third one is albumins. So, fibrinogens. So, these are the plasma glycoprotein synthesized in the liver. So, liver synthesize fibrinogen. They play an important role in the clotting of the blood. Along with the platelets, that is the formed elements, the fibrinogens present in the plasma, they help in clotting of the blood. So, they form a clot in the wounded area and they prevent the excess flow of the blood from the body. So, these fibrinogens, they are synthesized in the liver. They are glycoproteins. That is glycogen, and they are made up of carbohydrates as well as proteins. So, we call it as glycoproteins. The next part, so the next type of protein is globulins. So, globulin is the major protein of the plasma. That is, when compared to fibrinogen, albumin, globulin forms the major protein, and this protein, they are nothing but the antibodies. They are antibodies secreted by the B lymphocytes. So, among WBC, B lymphocytes or B cells produces antibody. These antibodies are called as globulins. So, they are proteins, Y-shaped proteins. They help to protect the body against the foreign invaders. When there is an infection from a bacteria, virus, or any other foreign substances, when it enters, the antibodies or the globulins present in the plasma identifies them as a foreign substances and they present them to the T lymphocytes where it will be killed. So, this is one of the important proteins present in our plasma. Along with that, albumins. So, albumins is another protein produced by the liver. Now, these plasma proteins, they help in maintaining the fluid volume in the blood. So, that is, it helps in maintaining the homeostatic condition. It creates an osmotic pressure and maintains the blood fluid volume, which is very much required for the normal functioning of the body. So, totally, the plasma proteins are of 3 types: fibrinogen, which helps in clotting of the blood; globulins, it protects the body against the infecting agents; and albumin, it helps in maintaining the homeostatic condition of the blood. That is, it helps in maintaining the blood fluid volume inside our body.